Hey there, everybody. I'm meteorologist Kyle Pickens here with your SWX weather update. Some storms popping up over Idaho and western Montana. We're keeping an eye on those. Western Montana, much of it right now is under a severe thunderstorm watch until 9 p.m. this evening. It looks like the nastiest of this stuff is going to stay off to our west and north, so we should be mostly in the clear, but we might see a couple of these stronger storms hit some of our western areas like Livingston and off towards Harleton and maybe even a little further east than that. So we'll be watching that going through tonight, through the weekend, especially towards Saturday, keeping an eye on this red flag warning that's in effect for the entirety of the northern half of the state. It's going to be windy, dry, and hot coming up as we go through Saturday. That's going to cause some fire concerns behind this front. Good thing, though, a little bit cooler than what we've been saying. In fact, a lot bit cooler, 10, 15, maybe even 20 degrees cooler in some places, but that still puts us in the upper 80s to low 90s in a lot of places going through the day on Saturday. So fire danger is still going to be there, especially in the northern counties for Saturday afternoon and Saturday evening, but it should kind of slacken off a little bit going into Sunday when we're looking at highs mostly in the 70s to low 80s, so even cooler yet for the end of the week. And going into the beginning of next week, some more chances for some rain and a few storms for Monday afternoon and evening. Still looking a little bit on the cool side, right around 80 degrees or so going into Monday and then again on Tuesday. Lows overnight tonight, mostly in the 60s and chances for storms all night because of that front that's going to move through later on tonight going into tomorrow morning. Highs coming up for the day on Saturday, mostly in the 80s. A few lingering storms possible in the morning in the east and a few more popping up in the afternoon over the mountains. Here's a look at the rest of the week on the 7-day forecast. Should stay mostly in the 80s as we go through next week with a few more chances for storms through Wednesday.